Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for smart product insights. Today, we're featuring what we believe is hands down the best drain cleaner tool hair clog remover you can buy right now. If you're tired of standing ankle deep in water every time you shower or watching the kitchen sink fill up faster than it drains, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're looking at the Drain Snake, Drain Clog Remover Tool by SHRIGHTLED. You get 3 of these 20-inch hair cleaning tools in the package. They're super slim, just 0.45 inches wide, which makes them perfect for sliding into most standard drains. Just make sure your drain opening is at least 0.5 inches wide. That's it, no hassle. What sets this tool apart is its flexibility. It's made from an eco-friendly, soft yet sturdy plastic material that bends and twists through even the tightest and most awkward drain shapes. Like the infamous P-trap under your sink, without losing its shape. It's got sharp barbs along the sides that are strategically designed to hook hair and debris on the way in and out. Using it is simple. Just grip the handle, insert the tool into the drain, give it a few gentle twists, and pull it out. You'll be shocked at what comes out. Trust us, it's not for the faint of heart, but it's also super satisfying. You can repeat the process until the drain runs clear. No mess, no harsh chemicals, no need for a plumber. The SHRIGHTLED Drain Remover Tool isn't limited to just your bathroom sink. It works across the board, your kitchen sink, your bathtub, the shower drain, even the toilet in some cases. If it's clogged with hair or debris, this tool can probably help clear it. And because the design allows it to bend deep into pipes where clogs typically form, you're not just treating the surface, you're dealing with the root of the problem. And here's another win, it's reusable. Just rinse it off after use and you're good to go. You're not throwing away plastic every time you clean a drain, and you're avoiding the harsh chemicals that can corrode your pipes over time. It's economical, environmentally friendly, and honestly, it just works. So if you're looking for a quick, easy, and affordable way to keep your drains flowing smoothly, the SHRIGHTLED Drain Snake tool is a must-have. You get 3 in a pack, which means you can keep 1 in the bathroom, 1 in the kitchen, and maybe toss the 3rd in your cleaning kit. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If this helped you find a smarter cleaning solution, give us a like, subscribe for more hands-on reviews, and let us know what product you want us to test next. Thanks for watching, and happy unclogging.